Using 2 glass jars, heat resistant. In one of them, add the distilled water. To the water, add the glycerin and mix it well. Adding the oils and the waxes in the second jar. Add the shea butter. Adding jojoba oil. Also adding emulsifying wax and cetyl alcohol. Place the both jars inside the white pan, adding 2 cups of water into the pan. With the medium heat, let all the oils to get melted. Process of melting the oils is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, and you should not increase the heat during this process. Once the oil is completely melted and turned to liquid, it's the time to remove the jars from the heat. Pour the water container inside the oil container while mixing it rapidly. Remember, you should always add the water container to the oil container and not the other side. Keep mixing the mixture until it gets a bit cooler. Once the emulsion is cooler, it's time to add the preservative. The last addition would be your favorite aromatic oil. I'm using lavender oil. You can use any of your favorite oil. Now mix it well and let it to cool down, and then it's time to add it to your favorite container.